Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Gusto to your HRIS. Now, using an HRIS, that's a human resource information system, alongside Gusto can streamline your entire HR workflow from hiring to onboarding to payroll. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to connect your HRIS platform to Gusto. The first step, access the Gusto dashboard. Now, first thing first, you got to log into your Gusto account on at gusto.com, and from the dashboard, navigate to the apps or integration section on the side menu. Step 2, search for your HRIS provider. In the integration directory, you want to search for HRIS system that you're using. This could be a Bamboo HR or Rippling or Zenefits, or any other supported platform. Step 3, select and authorize the connection. Now just click on your HRIS provider and hit connect, and you're going to be redirected to the HRIS login page, and then you got to log in with your admin credentials and authorize Gusto to access your HRIS data. Step 4, map employee data fields. Now Gusto will now help you to align employee data between the two systems. You got to review and map fields such as name, job titles, departments, and employment status to ensure accurate synchronization. Step 5, set synchronization preferences. Now you want to choose how often you want data to sync. It could be daily, weekly, or manually. Also determine which system should be the source of truth for data in case of conflicts. Step 6, save and test the integration. Now that you're done with that, just save your settings and run a test sync to verify that everything's connected properly. And if all looks good, your HRIS is now successfully linked to Gusto. Now your HR and payroll data are officially in sync. No more double entry or more data errors. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.